Suzuki Cultus LE 2016 Full Genuine Condition Central Lock, LCD Camera. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I have brought a very clean and genuine car for you, especially for those people who are looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly family car. So without wasting time, let's start the complete and honest review of this vehicle. The car we are showcasing today is a Suzuki Cultus LE, model 2016. This is a very popular car in Pakistan because of its low maintenance cost, good resale value, and comfortable drive. This particular Cultus is in genuine condition, which makes it a great option for buyers who want peace of mind. First of all, let's talk about the documents. This car comes with a return file, and all taxes are clear. The CPLC is also clear, so there is no issue regarding documentation. You can buy this car without any tension. Now let's discuss the overall condition of the car. The body condition is neat and well maintained. The car has been used carefully, and it clearly shows. There are no major dents or visible issues. The paint condition is good, and the car looks clean and presentable on the road. Moving towards the interior, this Suzuki Cultus LE is very well kept. Inside, the car has central locking installed, which adds convenience and security. New seat covers are fitted, giving the interior a fresh and clean look. The seats are comfortable and suitable for daily driving as well as long routes. For extra convenience, the car is equipped with an LCD screen and a reverse back camera system. This feature is very helpful, especially while parking in tight spaces. It makes driving much easier and safer, even for new drivers. The tires of the car are in good condition, providing a smooth and stable drive. You don't need to spend extra money on tires after purchase. Along with that, a brand new battery is installed, so you can drive worry-free without any starting issues. Now let's talk about the engine and performance. The engine of this Suzuki Cultus LE is working perfectly. There are no unusual sounds, no smoke, and no leakage. The pickup is smooth, and the car drives comfortably both in city traffic and on highways. Suzuki Cultus is known for its excellent fuel average, which makes it a perfect choice for daily use. The suspension is also in good condition. The ride is comfortable, and the car handles bumps and uneven roads nicely. Steering response is smooth, making it easy to drive even in crowded city areas. This car is ideal for families, office use, students, or anyone who wants a dependable car with low running cost. Maintenance is easy, spare parts are easily available, and service cost is affordable. Now let's talk about the demand. The demand for this Suzuki Cultus LE 2016 is 14,40,000. Considering the genuine condition, clean interior, installed accessories, clear documents, and overall maintenance, this is a reasonable and fair demand. If you are seriously looking for a clean Cultus in this budget, this car is definitely worth considering. Cars like this do not stay available for long in the market. If you like this car or want more details, you can contact us. We are always here to help you find the best car according to your budget and requirement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates us to bring more genuine and honest car deals for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another amazing deal.